expenditures for our committee. First item of business, let's take roll.
Sure, Mr. Chairman. Coon.
Here.
Reedy.
Here.
Feeney.
Here.
Larillier. Here. McLaughlin is excused. Klopsky. Ricard. Bergdorf.
Here.
And Pearlie. You have a quorum.
Excuse.
Great, thank you so much. First item on the agenda is number 1, approving the previous meeting. What? Approving the previous meeting's minutes. Can I have a motion?
Made a motion.
Reedy, Ricard, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Okay, thank you. That motion carries. Items 2 through 12 are tabled at request of sponsor. We're going to go, we'll come back to 13, but we're going to go to item 15 first. So that is authorizing an agreement with the New York State Office of Victim Services regarding the Victim Assistance Grant Program. I think Amanda Wingle, Director of the Albany County Crime Victim and Sexual Violence Center, is here to present on this.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Wingle, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. So I'm here tonight to request permission to enter into a contract with the New York State Office of Victim Services to accept Victim Assistance Grant Program funding in the amount of $829,892 per year for 3 years through September 2028 for a total of $2,489,676 over the 3-year period. This is CVSVC's largest grant, and it contributes a large share of our overall budget, and it allows us to provide direct services to victims of all different types of crime. I know we're kind of usually associated with sexual assault and domestic violence, and while we certainly do address those crimes, this grant also allows us to address things like non-partner harassment, physical assault, burglary, things of that nature. And the majority of the funding goes toward staff salaries and fringe, and we also put some toward 24-hour hotline coverage and operational costs.
Great, thank you. Does anyone have any questions or comments? Okay, can I have a motion then? Ready? All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Great, all set.
Thanks very much.
Then items 16 through 19, I believe Judge Herrick, the Albany County Public Defender, is here to present on those. So we'll go one at a time. Item 16 is amending resolution number 217 for 2023 regarding the 4th Council at First Appearance grant. Judge Herrick, order.
Thank you. Good evening. These are 4 routine business matters for the office. 16, as you indicated, is a 1-year extension to Council at First Appearance number 4. Council at First Appearance program provides legal representation for off-hours arraignments, 24/7, 365. We have 4 teams of 4 attorneys, and they appear on call. And it's in addition to their regular workday. We have requested a 1-year, no-cost extension. This is totally state-funded because going back to Council at First Appearance 1, it was delayed in starting for 2 years because of COVID. So we've been here before with Council at First Appearance 1, 2, 3, and now with 4 to request an extension in order to allow us to utilize all the funds.
Great. Does anyone have any questions or comments on item 16? Okay, hearing none, can I have a motion? Mr. Bergdorf, Mr. Feeney, all in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Great, that motion carries. Item 17 is authorizing an agreement with the New York State Division of Criminal Justice Services regarding the Aid to Defense program.
This is a request to allow us to accept grant funds from the New York State DCJS, Aid to Defense, for enhanced defense services. It provides salaries for 3 of the public defender assistant public defender attorneys. This is for the period April 1 of 24 through March 31, 26. It's 2 annual awards of $42,738. It's a recurring direct award to Albany County based on a DCJS formula. There's no county money involved.
Great, thank you. Anyone have any questions or comments on this item? Hearing none, can I have a motion? Mr. Sweeney? Second. Mr. Reedy? All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Okay, that motion carries. Item 18 is amending resolution number 184 for 2024 regarding the distribution number 11 grant.
This is an ILS grant to the 3 indigent legal service agencies in Albany County, the Public Defender, the Alternative Public Defender, and the Assigned Counsel Plan. It provides partial funding for salaries, 1 assistant public defender in the criminal part, 1 assistant public defender in family court, an assistant conflict defender or alternative public defender in family court, an assistant conflict defender position used to, in family court, put there for the purpose of reducing the necessity to use 18B attorneys who are paid for out of county funds. And finally, a part-time assigned counsel administrator. So all 3 departments in Albany County benefit from this program, and this is a request for a 1-year extension of the Distribution 11 grant caused by the inability to find and hire attorneys for the Public Defender's Office. So we need the additional 1 year in order to utilize all of the funds for that grant and hopefully find attorneys.
Does anyone have any questions or comments on this item? Mr. Bergdorf?
Judge, you said hopefully we have 1 year to find, does it?
It's very difficult to find attorneys with any reasonable amount of experience. We have no difficulty with new attorneys. We've had a class of 6 new attorneys for 2024, and on I think this Friday, we have a new group of 6 that are coming in who have graduated, taken the bar, awaiting to find out whether they pass the bar, and they go through a 2-month training program and can start, right off as soon as they finish the training program in court as an intern, and then when they're admitted as a new assistant public defender. But it's hiring experienced people that's difficult.
Do you anticipate that this level of funding will continue in perpetuity?
This is I do, yes, I do.
Okay. I mean, that's an
And if
obligation.
it doesn't, we're going to have to reduce staff, and if it causes us to be unable to provide the legal representation necessary by state standards, then it becomes an 18B requirement to provide that legal representation, which is county funded.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other questions or comments? Can I have a motion? Mr. Sweeney? Second. Mr. Reedy? All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Item 19 is authorizing agreements with the New York State Division of Criminal Justice Services regarding the Alternatives to Incarceration program.
This is a grant that we are requesting permission to receive. We share the Alternatives to Incarceration with the Probation Department. It's a $49,000 award, and we get $20,000 and probation gets the rest. And this is used toward salaries of staff.
Okay, any questions or comments on this item? Second. Mr. Reedy, Mr. Sweeney, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? No? Great, that motion carries. Thank you, Judge Merrick. Have a good evening. Okay, so as I noted, items 2 through 12 are tabled at request of sponsor, as is item 14. That means the only item left on our agenda is item 13, which is local law number U for 2024. A local law of the County of Albany, New York, providing for a change in the salary of a county officer during their term of office. I believe Chair Cunningham is here to present on this.
Yes, this, I'm hoping to have the law committee report out tonight, so it can be on our September 8th agenda. We had the public hearing Tuesday night. It's very uneventful. And as folks know, local law U is a counterpart to local law A, which was the creation of the deputy chair position in the charter. And this is the corresponding salary piece. Local law A was passed by the legislature a couple months ago or so. So looking to have this committee report this out tonight.
Great. Does anyone have any questions or comments on this item? Okay, seeing none, can I have a motion? Mr. Reedy?
Second.
Mr. Feeney? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed?
Nay.
Mr. Bridgewater, opposed? Motion carries. That is the end of our agenda. Everybody can have a motion to adjourn.
Second.
All right, all in favor?
Aye.
Have a nice evening, everyone.